Climate smart buildings as the built environment's response to the dual challenges of the climate mitigation and climate adaptation, which actually turns buildings from energy consumers into cognitive and regenerative assets. So that's what we term the climate smart buildings. Skilled labor shortages and an aging workforce, which is still the biggest long-term barrier in construction. And then we have this AI integration and data management issues. All these technologies are promising, gains, revenue gains and other gains as well. But it involves high costs, integration complexity, data silos, and poor quality of data, poor connectivity, which actually slows the rollout of this integration. And third, we have this cost escalation and readiness for tech adoption. So that is another barrier here because of the rising wages and the safety demands are pushing some of the technologies like AI, robotics forward, yet high implementation costs and usability, that actually hinders the adoption. Global revenue for homes and buildings we have estimated around close to 1.95 trillion for 2025, and the conservative estimate that we are having is for 2026 is close to 2 trillion. So it's the first time in the industry is going to touch $2 trillion in revenue for about growing at a growth rate of 4%. That's a conservative estimate. And if things go really well, the aspirational scenario, we are pushing it towards 2.1 trillion. We are closer to 8% growth. So this reflects an accelerating momentum from electrification, smart technology adoption, other climate technologies adoption as well. AI is going to change the game now. So it could provide the flexibility for the consumers to actually enable AI when they need it and just disable it when they don't need it. So they pay for when they use it. It could be based on the number of prompts they use or the time they spent on AI. That could be tracked, and just like electricity, AI could be used as an infrastructure. The global smart lighting is estimated to hit close to $23 billion at 10.5% growth in 2026, which is led by the IoT and AI functionalities. And there are other, if you look at the leaders like Signify Connect, they have published the connected light points, installed base of light points to 167 million. By 2025. So that's a 16% CAGR growth from 2020. So you can see how the connected lighting market is actually growing. And even the professional segment grows via large-scale retrofits and smart city initiatives, because there are some smart street lighting installations are happening in certain, especially in Southeast Asian countries, we are seeing smart city projects.
Agentic AI and the data center part, that's where the priorities should be, I believe. And from our research, our daily research in homes and buildings studies, we have found that all these still remain as top priorities among industry participants in our research.